All right, we're going to get our drawing on. Look at scale drawings and models. You know, when you're looking at a map or something and you see that little legend at the bottom that says 1 centimeter equals 2,000 miles, that's what we're talking about right here. Let's dive in with some examples. So, our first example is about a dragonfly, not a dragon, but a dragonfly, right? Suppose a model of a dragonfly has a wing length of 4 centimeters. If the length of the insect's actual wing is 6 centimeters, what is the scale of the model? Okay, so what we're headed towards is we want to know how many centimeters 1 centimeter equals. Centimeters 1 centimeter equals. Let me write down what I'm talking about. So what we're looking for is first of all, when we're doing these scales, right? We always do the model over the actual. Okay, which kind of like doing a percentage or anything like that, where we do the part over the total. Same idea. We do the model over the actual. So in this case, we've got 4 to 6. Okay, 4 centimeters to 6 centimeters. Now, in order to get the scale, we need to convert this guy to a 1. So this is kind of the opposite of a unit rate, where in a unit rate, we want a 1 on the bottom of the fraction. In a scale, we want a 1 in the top of the fraction, okay? So we're going to divide the top and bottom by 4. So if we divide the top and bottom by 4, we end up with 1 centimeter on the model equals 1.5 centimeters in the real insect. Okay, so it's a 1.5 scale model. Okay, 1 to 1.5 scale model, right? Let's do another one. Okay, oops, that's confusing. There we go. The blueprint of a skateboard ramp shows that its length is 11.4 inches. So here's our little blueprint, right? If the scale of the blueprint is 1 inch equals 6 feet, then what is the length of the actual skateboard ramp? Now this guy we can solve using a proportion, right? So we're going to start with our scale, 1 inch to 6 feet. The model to the actual, right? Equals, now the inches, it goes with the model, the blueprint, right? So we're going to do 11.4 inches. And we want to know the length of the actual. Look, that's our handy friend, the proportion. And it's just as easy to solve like this. So we're going to cross multiply and divide. How do you multiply fractions? Straight across. But this is a proportion. So we're going to do 1 times x equals x, or 1x, right? 6 times 11.4 is, 6 times 11.4 is 68.4. 68.4 feet. Blap. There we go. Let's do another one. Last one. This one is where we really get our drawing on, because this time we're going to make a drawing. Okay, so Lila is painting a mural on the wall at the community center that measures 18 feet tall. We want to make a scale drawing of the mural. Am I missing some information? 18 feet. 18 feet. Oh, I did. Somehow I missed part of this problem when I was copying this over. 18 feet long and 12 feet tall. I should have changed colors. Sorry. That may be kind of frustrating to see. So the real model is 18 feet long and 12 feet tall. And we want to do a scale drawing in the mirror. Use a scale of 1/4 inch equals 3 feet. And we're going to use 1/4 inch grid paper, right? So this is representing the grid paper. Now on my screen, it may not actually be 1/4 inch grid paper. If you're wondering what 1/4 inch grid paper is, that's basically normal graph paper is what we're talking about. So draw this on graph paper. Now you also, on this, we want to make sure you use a straight edge, make it real neat. So each square is worth 3 feet. So how many squares would be 18? So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we need 6 squares long. Let's get something that we can see well. So from here, I should start out lower actually. Let's go from here, 2, 4, 6. Oh, that's only 5, isn't it? There we go. By 12 feet long, so that'd be 4 squares, because 12 divided by, that'd be 2 squares. Hold on, time out. Let me time out. It's all right. Yeah, it is 4 squares. Of course it's 4 squares because we're dividing by 3, not 2. I don't know where I was getting divided by 6. I think it's because I had 6 in my head a second ago. Sorry. Confused myself. Live on camera. Except it's not live, but might as well be, right? Because it's saved for posterity. Yeah, so we're going to do this one 4 squares long as well. So there is the picture. We're going to label it. This is 12 feet, and this represents 18 feet. So there's our scale drawing. So there's scale drawings and models. We'll see you next time in the next video, which is going to be about similar figures, which is going to be a topic that's going to haunt our dreams long into high school. But not haunt our dreams, because they're easy and great and fun and no big deal. We'll see you there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're one of my students, do your homework. See you in class. Bye-bye.